and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful crochet coaster. It is very small, as you can see, but it's depending on the yarn. I'm using a small yarn for the sake of the video, but if you use bigger you'll get a larger coaster. But it is very simple, very easy, a beginner friendly. So let's start, shall we? I'm using 2.5mm hook size, and I'm going to start by doing a slip knot, placing down this way, insert from this and pull, and I'm going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first chain, and this is my first row. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. Now inside the circle I need 11 double crochet, a total of 12 including the first 3 chain. So I'm going to yarn over, insert inside and pull. I have 3 loop in my hook, the first 2 and the remaining 2. Yarn again, insert inside and pull, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2. Yarn again, hold it to the tip of my finger, insert inside and pull. I have 3 loop, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 loop. Now I have 4, I need another 8 double crochet inside, so finish them and come again. I'm done, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, and then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. Another 2 chain, this represent the space. Now I'm going to yarn over. In the next double crochet, this stitch, I'm going to work another double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, another double crochet. So this row you're going to do a double crochet on top of each of the previous double crochet and 2 chain between them. So 2 chain, yarn over, insert inside, pull, another double crochet, and this is the pattern. So continue working on this pattern and come. And I'm going to do slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to create my pattern. Now I'm going to do another slip stitch in here so that I can start, and I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain also again represent 1 double crochet. I need another 2 double crochet inside, so this is 1 and this is 2, and then I'm going to chain 1, another 3 double crochet in this space, so 3 double crochet in each of the previous 2 chain, and between them what? Chain 1. See, again 3 double crochet here, and chain 1, and this is the pattern for this row. So finish and come again. So I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook and another slip stitch here, and I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3, or to make it better, do another slip stitch, do 2 more slip stitch until you reach here, the chain 1. Here we're going to chain 1, and then in the same stitch we're going to do 1 single crochet and then chain 1. In the middle of double crochet, I'm going to work 1 double crochet and then chain 2 and another double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, do a single crochet here in the chain 1 space, and then chain 1 again. In the middle you're going to work a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and work here what? Single crochet, chain 1. In the middle 1 double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, a single here, So let me show you. You're going to work a single crochet in the chain 1 space and then chain 1, and you're going to work in the middle a double to chain a double crochet. So continue and come for the last row. So I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Again, what I'm going to work chain 1. In the same stitch, I'm going to work another single crochet and then chain 1. And in the chain 2, you're going to work 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to do a slip stitch in the first chain. And then you're going to work another 4 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 1. On top of the single crochet, you're going to work a single crochet. Chain 1. Again here, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Do a slip stitch in the first chain. So, and this is the pattern again. 4 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and do a single on top of the single crochet, and this is the pattern. You're going to work a single crochet at the top of the previous single crochet and chain 1 and chain 1. And the pattern here in the chain 2 space, 4 double crochet, work a 3, chain, slip stitch, and 4 double crochet. So continue working and come for the last part. سكة دقيقة. رشاد ما بصوت، أمينة ما بصوت. So now I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and pull and cut, and then I'm going to fasten this yarn using the needle at the outer loop. See, I'm going to enter at the outer loop to secure the yarn. And then I'm going to cut. This I already worked, so I'm going to cut, and this is our coaster for this day. So I hope you like my video and you find it very helpful. If you have any suggestion for more video that you want, write on the comment. So thanks for watching. Until the next time.